Most apps need a database behind them, somewhere to keep their data. Let's set up a real one on this server. Postgres or MySQL in one guided flow, locked down by default so only my own apps can reach it, not the public internet unless I choose to open it up. I open the Actions menu and pick Set up a database. Faro, the built-in assistant, takes over and asks a few quick things: which engine, how it'll be used, and what to call it. First, the engine. I pick Postgres, the recommended default for most modern apps, but MySQL and MariaDB are right there if my app needs one of those. These three are the SQL databases Server Manager provisions for you directly. Want a different kind? Redis, MongoDB, something else? Those go through a different recipe. Run a self-hosted app, which runs any Docker image, and there's a separate tutorial for it. Here, I'll stay with Postgres. Next, how it'll be used. This one's for an app on the same server, so I take the safe default, local only. It's never exposed to the internet. Only apps on the box can reach it. Then I give the database and its user a name, appdb and app here, though I could change them. Faro checks there's room on disk and that the database's port is free, reading only, changing nothing yet, and works out the plan. It lays out exactly what it'll do: run Postgres in a container with storage that survives restarts, generate a strong password, and keep it bound to localhost. I approve. Every change to the server waits for my OK. It pulls the database image, starts it up, and waits until it reports healthy. Just a short wait. And it's done. The database is live, local only, on this server. I don't have to copy anything from chat. The database now has its own card, and its connection tab keeps that string ready anytime. The password one click away, reads straight from the server. There's the app's own login, and tucked under its own section, the admin superuser for maintenance tasks. Everything I need in one place. And that's a real production-grade database, private by default, ready to plug into your app. Need it reachable from another machine? Faro can open it to specific addresses behind a firewall and set up nightly backups whenever you ask.